Hey there, welcome to Links to be treating derivatives of powers of x. So let's go in differentiation. So we know that a given function, let's say y is equal to 10. And I'm told to differentiate this. How will you differentiate this? Note that before you differentiate this, know that in differentiation, given y is equal to a constant, say y is equal to L. Are you getting it? So let's differentiate. You have this to be 0. No matter how big the number is, are you getting it? You have it to be 0. So you have this back to question. So we have this to be dy on x is equal to 7. Are you getting it? So this is rule number 1. This is rule number 1. Let's check to the number 2. Remember with the second one, let's say y is equal to axn, where n is not equal to 0. Because when n is equal to 0, it means that it's a constant. Are you getting? Let me illustrate this. 0 from indices. Every number raised to the power 0 is 1. You have this to be a. Are you getting it? That's why it's not equal to 0. Are you getting it? I like making boxes. Are you getting it? So then let's see. Y is equal to axn. So we have this to be, when we differentiate this, we get n axn minus 1. Are you getting it? So let's make another box as usual. Are you getting it? So we are looking at this and looking at that. Let's try solving some examples. Let's try solving these simple examples. So with a solution, the first one, you know that always take a question. So you quote this one because n is not equal to 0. Are you getting it? So then you have dy on dx is equal to, first note that with this we have it to be n axn minus 1. Here, know that, let me state this first. Are you getting it? So we have equation 1 and equation 2. And we know that with this equation, y is equal to y as usual, a is equal to 10. Let me come here. X is equal to x and n is equal to 2. So let's place in the values in this one. Are you getting it? 10 is 2. Are you getting it? So let's try solving the next question. Now this to be how did we get this? We know that y is equal to ax n, and when differentiating, have it to be ax n minus 1. This exponent, this is the power. Are you getting it? So then we know that 2 here is the n, a here is the 12. Are you getting it? So let's follow this pattern. 2n is what? 2, a is what? 12, x, n is what? 2 minus 1. That would be 24x. Are you following? And the last question is when y is equal to 104. Now this is a constant, so then solution equal to c equal to 0, where c is equal to 104. So then the y on the x here is equal to what? 0. I hope you like this short video on the derivatives of the power of x.